Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given these equations, which are representing the market for a certain product, where we have S of P is the quantity of the product supplied to the market when the price is P dollars, and the function D of P is the quantity of the product demanded by the market when the price is P dollars. And we're asked, when are these values equal? So you don't have to understand anything about economics with quantities of product supplied and quantities of product demanded. You just have to notice that we're asking, when is this quantity equal to this quantity? That's what this is equal to. So we have the quantity of the product supplied to the market, that's here, which is S of P, and then the quantity of the product demanded by the market, that's D of P. So it's basically asking, when is S of P equal to D of P? Again, don't get confused by the language. That's really not typical for an SAT problem. So how do we find at what price? Well, the price is P. So if we want to solve for P, we can plug in 1/2 P plus 40 for P, or for S of P, since it's equal to S of P. And for D of P, we can plug in 220 minus P. And if these are equal, then these are equal, and therefore we can just solve for P. So adding P to both sides, these cancel, and we can subtract 42 to get all the numbers on the other side. These cancel. On this side, we're left with 220 minus 40 is 180. Over here, we have 1/2 P plus P, and 1P is the same as 2/2 P. So we have 1/2 P plus 2/2 P, which is equal to 3/2 P. Move that over so you can see it a little bit. So 1/2 P plus P is 3/2 P. So 3/2 P equals 180. I'll just write that up here so we don't run out of room. 3/2 P equals 180. If we multiply both sides by 2, that'll get rid of this denominator. So we're left with 3P is equal to 180 times 2 is 360. If we divide both sides by 3, we are left with, these 3's will cancel. P is equal to 360 divided by 3. We can just get this 0 out of the way. And then we have 36 divided by 3, which might be a little bit easier to think about. 36 divided by 3 is 12. So we can do 36 divided by 3 and then bring back the 0. P is equal to 120. Also, if you could just plug that in your calculator if what I just did didn't make any sense. P is equal to 120, so that is the price when S is equal to D, so 120 is going to be your final answer. Hope this was helpful. I know the language can be a little bit confusing here, but if you just look at the language being similar in the givens and the question, you'll be able to sort of see what they're asking, even if it's not immediately clear. But as always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.